Jamaica, come close and listen very carefully. Only 38% of Jamaica went out and voted. And Jamaica, the silence after the 38% is not normal. It is not a calm. It is not rest. It is the grave breathing. The ancestors holding back the thunder, waiting to see if we are still alive inside. When the Jamaican streets are quiet after an election, it is not peace. It was shame walking through the lane and the market. It was disappointment standing on every veranda. It was betrayal heavy in the sky like storm cloud. The granny that wore her orange scarf could not clap. The youth, them that had their green shirts on, could not dance because both know the truth. No side delivered, no side set free, no side heal poor people wound. And that silence was a confession. Jamaica, color is not liberation. Liberation was not in the ballots. Jamaica, liberation is in unity. Liberation is in courage. Orange fool, you know, green fool, you know. So right now, Jamaica is just waiting on the warriors. Jamaica, you have been bamboozled so long that even your grief is quiet. But I tell you, silence cannot free you. Silence cannot feed you. Silence cannot save you. Silence will only dig a deeper grave. Jamaica, if you cannot see the struggle plain as day in the streets, then you are blind for life. Remember Granny Nanny, beat drum and fight them with cutlass. She never bow to party colors because she understood that chains are chains regardless of the color. You see this silence, Jamaica? It's a test. The land itself is waiting to see if us Jamaicans are going to rise or drown. This soil will not carry cowards. Our sea will not carry slaves. And our skies will not cover fools. Poor people, wanna listen to me good and plenty. This struggle does not belong to the politicians. It belongs to the mother with school fees and don't know how to pay it. It belongs to the teachers who don't have the materials and the tools and have to cry tears out of them throat. It belongs to the good nurses who watch life slip through their hands. It belongs to the farmers who watch their yams rot while supermarkets are filled with foreign rice. It belongs to the fisherman whose net pull up more plastic than it does fish. It belongs to the youth whose degree are worth less than the hustle upon the corner. It belongs to the father who have to look him son in the eye because him cupboard in kitchen empty. It belongs to the mother who cannot sleep because she hear gunshot a bus outside in our lane. So Jamaica, this silence is our last chance. Last chance before the storm break, before the land rebel, before the sea swallow, and before the ancestors turn face. You see, if we don't rise together now, Jamaica, yes, me I talk about together, the poor, the mother, the nurse, the soldier, the working, the youth, the teacher, the farmer, and the police, then Jamaica is finished. Listen to me well. I am not calling for any war with guns. I'm not even calling for you to go out there and burn anything down. I am calling for war in spirit, war in truth, war in unity, war in justice. I am calling for a burning in courage, in conscience, and in justice. Because Jamaica, let's face it, you see this silence, it's not peace. It is prophecy. It is an ultimatum, Jamaica. Either you stand now or you will never stand again. Jamaica, look around after election. Silence. No dance, no drum, no joy in the street. Not even the winners Celebrate. That silence is louder than any music truck. 38% turnout. It shows the truth plain as day. 62% stayed home because all hope is gone. So that silence that you hear after election is disappointment. It's betrayal. It's tired people, tired Jamaicans say, Lord, me can't take it no more. Jamaica, the silence is a warning. Before the storm, there's always a calm. And if we don't wake up and open our eyes now, Jamaica, you see, when the storm comes, it's going to wash away poor people first. So Jamaica, if we do not rise together in unity right now, Jamaica, if we do not rise and stand together in unity as a people, this silence is going to break into thunder.